Hello everyone. In this video, I'm about to tell you whether you can actually make money on YouTube by uploading relaxing music videos or not. Let's find out. There are many claims that you can make unlimited money on YouTube by uploading relaxing music with stock footage. The first step is understanding how a YouTube channel gets monetized. This process is tied to the YouTube Partner Program. To qualify, your channel needs at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Alternatively, if you're posting YouTube Shorts, you need 10 million views, though this method doesn't apply here. Keep in mind, you only need to meet one of these criteria, not both. For this method, we'll focus on the watch hours. Another important requirement for monetization is that your content must comply with YouTube's community guidelines. This is crucial because YouTube takes copyright infringement very seriously. If you simply download and re-upload someone else's content, you'll likely face copyright strikes and your channel could be demonetized. Also, your channel must not have any active community guideline strikes to be eligible for monetization. To get a clearer understanding, let's examine some case studies. First, we have Yellow Brick Cinema, one of the biggest channels in this niche. They've been around for a long time, generating 2.4 billion views. To confirm their monetization status, you can open the source code of their channel's page. If you're using a Windows laptop, press Ctrl+U, then search for the word monetization in the code. If the value is true, the channel is part of the YouTube Partner Program and earns ad revenue. For Yellow Brick Cinema, this is indeed the case. Let's check another channel, Paradise Tonight. They are smaller, with a few 100,000 subscribers, but by using the same method, we can see their channel is also monetized. Both channels demonstrate that uploading relaxing music with simple visuals can generate income through ad revenue. However, there's a critical factor to consider. On YouTube, your RPM, or revenue per mille, the amount you earn per 1,000 views, varies significantly based on your niche and audience. Music videos, including relaxing music, tend to have some of the lowest RPMs on YouTube, often around $1 to $2 per 1,000 views, or even less. This low RPM is the main challenge for this niche. To overcome this, successful channels often upload longer videos, such as 12-hour, 24-hour, or even 3-hour videos. These extended durations allow for more ad placements, which naturally increases ad revenue. The longer your video, the more opportunities you have to insert ads, making the low RPM less of an issue. If you want to make money in this niche, you need to optimize your approach. Instead of focusing on general meditation music, which is highly competitive, consider a more specific niche like lo-fi music. Lo-fi music has a unique charm due to its imperfect elements, and it's widely popular for relaxation, studying, or even napping. A standout example is Lo-Fi Girl, a channel with over 11.9 million subscribers and 1.4 billion views. They've created a recognizable persona and consistent visual style with animated backgrounds. Even smaller channels like Bear Chillhop follow a similar formula by creating long videos and unique personas. For instance, Bear Chillhop has only several thousand subscribers, but managed to achieve millions views on a 24-hour video. This proves that this model can be replicated and scaled. Creating these videos at scale is essential. You don't need to compose the music yourself. Instead, use tools like creators.ava.ai. This AI-powered tool can generate lo-fi beats for you in minutes, and with the Pro plan, you'll own the copyright for the music, ensuring you can monetize it on YouTube. While the Pro plan costs $50 per month, it provides 300 downloads, which is more than enough to get started. In conclusion, it is possible to make money on YouTube by uploading relaxing music videos. But there are important factors to consider. Now, if you want to make real money from YouTube without worrying about getting demonetized or facing copyright issues, you need to learn the correct methods to follow. I believe I've found the best YouTube course in the world for complete beginners. Click the link in the description to check it out.